everybody, in this video I will show you how to review your roles and permissions and run a permission access by roles report. Go to the company menu and select users, then select users and roles. Select the role list tab, then select manage permissions. A view permissions dialog box pops up. Choose user or role. I'm going to choose to show permissions for role, then checkmark accounts payable to review, then select display. You'll get a report that pops up on the screen showing all roles and their permissions for accounts payable. You can either print the report or close once you're finished. You can also choose more than one role. I will close this screen and add accounts receivable. This is how the report with multiple roles will show. Now that we are completely finished with roles, let's get to the good stuff and work with users within QuickBooks Enterprise. Watch our next video on how to add and invite QuickBooks Enterprise users to a role. If you liked this video and felt you received value, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. That way you'll be alerted when I create another video like this. Thank you for watching my videos.